Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family. Today is Sunday. It's a family day because family is very important. Second from God. First God, and then second is family, third career, and the rest is the down. We need to spend time with our family while they still alive, because when they are gone we cannot do anything to bring them back. Like me, I don't have parent anymore. Whatever I do, I cannot spend time with them anymore because they're not already here. I I cannot bring them back alive because they're already died. They already passed away long time ago. That's why if you still have your own family, you're lucky. But like me, I don't have my own family. I don't have parents anymore. My family here is a rich community. That's my family. Yeah, my family here because I don't have relatives here in UAE. And the church community where I belong. Anyway guys, before I go to sleep, I just want to ask, how are you all? I hope all is in good health, always healthy, no problem. Cannot encounter big problem. All the problem is part of our life journey. But I hope and pray that our problem is manageable, not too big or heavy or burden. Anyway guys, have a good night sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow because I'm sleepy already. I just need to I miss you all guys. Very long time I won't be able to do this because when I finish my work, I'm so tired already. I won't be able to make video. Now I massage my legs. I forgot what is pulikat numbness or pain. There is pain in here. Last early morning, I think 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. I wake up because of the pain. This one became very hard there is pain here. And it's so you can wake up because of the pain. The blood circulation is not circulate properly, maybe because of the cold weather. And I have so many varicose vein again here. But last 2 years ago, both legs is undergo operation. The doctor will what do you call that? They remove blood the blood that is blocking in the vein because of the varicose vein, because it's dangerous if the blood will block until the heart. It will go to the heart, the blockage of the blood. I'm gonna have a heart problem if the blood cannot circulate until the heart. It's a big problem for the health. Anyway, by the grace of God, still alive, still breathing. But I have again last 2 years the doctor do a laser in all the veins that is there is blood clot in my vein. But this time, because my insurance is not good coverage, I won't be able to do that again because the insurance not covered that one. Even my maintenance medicine, they won't cover my medicine. I buy my medicine with my own money. The insurance right now is not good. Hey guys, I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family while they are still around, because family is the most important. Good night everyone, sweet dream, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye.